You've probably heard these fancy finance terms, ROI, but what is actually meaning? Return on investment, or ROI, simply measures how much profit you made compared to how much you spent or invested. It's the simplest way to see if your investment was actually worth it. In plain words, ROI shows how effectively you turned money spent into money earned. If your ROI is positive, congratulations, you made a profit. If it's negative, well, something went wrong. Now let's break down the formula. ROI equals net profit divided by total investment, then multiplied by 100. Let's say you invested $10,000 into a small business. After 1 year, that business made $2,000 profit. So your ROI equals 2,000 divided by 10,000 multiplied by 100. That gives you 20, which means your return on investment is 20%. In simple English, for every $1 you invested, you earned 20 cents in profit. ROI is one of the most powerful numbers in business and investing. It helps you compare opportunities, like deciding whether to buy real estate, invest in stocks, or start your own business. For example, if you earned a 20% ROI from your coffee shop but only 10% from your stock investment, you know where your money is working harder for you. ROI is also a great tool for tracking performance. Business owners use it to check if marketing campaigns are worth the cost, investors use it to judge portfolios, and even individuals use it for personal finance decisions. Now here's the thing most people don't realize. ROI isn't perfect. It doesn't tell you how long it took to earn that return. Let's say two people each earn a 20% ROI. One made that in 3 months while the other took 3 years. Same percentage, completely different stories. ROI also ignores risks, opportunity costs, and inflation. It doesn't show whether your money could have worked better somewhere else. And it doesn't include ongoing expenses like maintenance or taxes unless you add them in manually. All right, let's make it real. Imagine you start an ice cream truck business. You invest $5,000 to buy the truck and supplies. After 1 summer, you make $6,000 total, but after deducting your costs, your net profit is $1,000. Your ROI equals 1,000 divided by 5,000 multiplied by 100, which is 20%. That means your investment returned 20 cents for every dollar you spent. Pretty sweet, right? But now imagine your friend opened a smoothie shop, invested $10,000 and made $1,500 profit. His ROI is 15%, so technically your ice cream truck performed better, even though you made less total money. That's the beauty of ROI. It shows efficiency, not just dollar amount. ROI is best used when comparing different investments or projects. For example, which marketing campaign gave better results? Should you buy rental property or invest in the stock market? Which product launch brought the highest return? ROI helps you answer these questions by showing which investment gives you more bang for your buck. Let's quickly recap the pros and cons. Advantages: it's simple, easy to understand, and widely used. It directly shows profitability. It helps compare different investments quickly. Disadvantages: it doesn't consider time, so it can be misleading. It ignores risk and inflation, and it might not reflect ongoing costs or future returns.